Daddy, we're out of mayonnaise.
What about mustard? You could use mustard.
I don't want to use mustard.
Fine. I guess I'll make mayonnaise. I am simply mayonnaising at it. Huh? Simply mayonnaising. Simply mayonnaising. Oh. That would be like mustard. Delicious, but what an eye-burning mess. If only there was a spreadable condiment that did more. But wait, there is. Mayonnaise. Brought to you by the people who made aioli, and creamy dressing comes mayonnaise. It's been proven. Mayonnaise is more effective than mustard. Up to 78% more effective when compared to mustard alone. So are you ready to switch? Are you ready to make a difference? I think you are. But wait, there's more! That's right. Mayonnaise can be used to polish your stainless steel, fix a squeaky door hinge, even shine your houseplants. That's because Daddy Mayonnaise. What? Daddy Mayonnaise? It doesn't make any sense. That's what it says here. Daddy Mayonnaise.
Daddy, mayonnaise.
Oh, right. Mayonnaise. So this is kind of fun music. I like it. So we've got a new name for our show. It's not Cooking for the Apocalypse anymore. It is coming up right here. It's, no, it's not that. It's, there we go. Cooking Under Quarantine. So today on Cooking Under Quarantine, we're going to talk a little bit, obviously, about mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a really easy sauce. It has very few ingredients and it's very easy to put together. So it kind of goes with the skills camp that we're trying to build here. Now I'm separating the eggs. I'm also going to use mustard as a chemical emulsifier in this recipe. Now that sounds like a big fancy word, but really it's just a way to add oil and water together, or in this case, vinegar. So our chemical emulsifier, again, is mustard. I'm using Keen's mustard, doesn't really matter. Some dry mustard. Even if you had wet mustard, that's probably fine. We're going to use vinegar and just a little bit here, about a tablespoon. And we're also going to use oil, and we're going to add that after adding a little bit of salt or whatever your seasoning is going to be. Now, at this point, you could add basil or fresh cut up herbs or some pepper, whatever you want. And in this case, I'm just going to add some salt. If I added a little bit of sugar as well, we would make a nice coleslaw dressing. And this is the time to do it, right at the beginning. So we're going to start adding our oil here, and the whisking is another way to emulsify something. So we're going to combine the two methods. Now I'm going double time here. The film is going double speed. You could do this very easily with a hand mixer or with your food processor. I'm doing it in a bowl here so that you can see just how easy it is to do on your countertop. Now you could easily do this in a food processor, and it would obviously work out a little bit faster. Now we're going double time here, so my hands don't actually move that fast, but you can see how quickly it starts to thicken up. And even though it's counterintuitive, the more oil you add, the thicker it will get. So if you want something thick like a sandwich spread or a really thick salad dressing, you're going to add a lot of oil. If we wanted to make, say, Caesar dressing, we could also add Parmesan cheese, garlic, anchovies, and we'd end up with a beautiful Caesar salad dressing. But that's the whole point here, is that mayonnaise, it's a mother sauce. And you can look that up, Google it, but it's a mother sauce. And the reason for that is that it's the base for a lot of other things. We're going to use the same method to make a bunch of different sauces, and this is going to be the base for all of them. So that's it. Beautiful sauce. Okay, well, that brings us to a close for another episode of Now, cooking under quarantine. We'll see you over the next coming weeks with lots of new content and lots of new fun. Remember,
Subscribe below and click the bell.
that's right, subscribe at the bottom, ding the bell, make it ding, and we'll see you guys over the coming weeks. We all got lots of time on our hands. Bye.